Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you how to double extend of line end. Before watching this video, subscribe our channel for more updates. And first, let's start. First we upload Lisp AP command, load it and select double extend Lisp, load. It is successfully load, close it, click on a close, and the command is dex, enter. Here is a limit of length or required of length, your desired length, and here we type 1.5, enter. Here is Lisp demands lines, arc or polylines extended. Select multiple and enter. The line extended, your required length demanded. Thanks for watching.